is tanking the bed again today. Hopefully he's coming down to the bottom, on the stochastic RSI, because there may even be more potential downside for Casper, I'm not going to lie, especially if it invalidates this. Then we might be going down to like this sort of level here, the 9 cent region, maybe even like the 9.3 to 8 cent region, which is actually disgusting, which is something I don't want to see. I might have to bang on stop losses because of that reason alone. Although I believe it is real money, it's not a project that you want to be putting all your money into, especially because it's crypto. And at the end of the day, any crypto can go down, including Bitcoin. And if that can go down 70%, anything can. There's two obviously plays on Bitcoin currently. It could retest the little bull flag that we've got going on and break out and go from there, or we could get a major correction leading into the elections because crazy news is happening as of now. Crazy news. If we look at the altcoin season index 24, it's still coming down like I expected. It's low key actually dying. Is that can actually correct further to like 16 or something before we actually get them moving properly? Because we're still in greed, which is not good leading into the election. It almost seems like they want us to get screwed up here. It almost seems like they want us to get absolutely screwed here, man. So I made a video on Redo as well, and Redo's getting hammered. There's more longs as well in the market, so we're more prone to go down. And if we look at the news today, we are seeing that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has over 325 billion in cash. What stocks should they buy? BlackRock acquired nearly 2.15 billion in Bitcoin for its ETF this week alone. For its ETF, not BlackRock, for its ETF. Warren Buffett's, yep, same news. He's got too much money there. That is nearly a quarter of BTC's market cap and is steadily losing value from inflation, which is low-key kind of crazy to be honest. I don't know. I don't know if he wants it to lose a lot of money to inflation or he's just going to hold it and wait to get back into the market. Maybe he'll buy Bitcoin. Now he doesn't like crypto. Let's not go there. The question now is, where do you think the direction is after the updates that have been introduced? Now, the most important chart in the market is acquisition. The currencies are under complete anesthesia, and this causes the continuous and slow bleeding that is happening. Currently, the acquisition is 60.35 total dominance. The bottom is an area, not a number. You are not required to enter at the lowest price of the currency. However, in general, we are in the areas that deserve taking risks in currencies. That's the first time he said that. We're in the areas where risks should be taken. I believe we are very close to the best entry you will get on Brett for the rest of the cycle. We're at like 77, 0.77. I think we're at 7 cents. Are we on Brett? That's a very good buy for Brett. Low key, 78, 79 cents. That is very good. But like I say, if Trump don't win the election, we might get the nastiest correction we've ever seen. Sort of like COVID. Look, after the elections, usually it does tend to go up. 2 days left till the election. Bitcoin doesn't care about all the narratives. It now starting year 3 of 4-year cycle where almost all the gains since inception has occurred. Up, 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 up. We might get a nasty correction though. We've seen it before. Ignore the noise. It does not care about narratives, but should a DDE show up, it'll get dumped when everyone is arrested, even the piano player. That's mental. Can't wait. BTC thinks he's going to 29k. Yo, if Trump gets elected, I won't even be surprised to see something like that if Trump doesn't get elected. Omikami, the holders are still going up. The holders are still going up, and then from Dogecoin, imagine it flips 7 million plus holders. Omikami. Bro, that is the best meme coin this cycle. Low risk, high reward. Needs to give me a good entry though. Bitcoin Buffett now holds 325 billion in cash. Wow, what does he know that we don't? Genuinely, bro. Why is he all in cash? This guy's got all the money. Why the heck is he in cash? Tell us that. He knows something. F your mood, follow the plan. Men, work on yourselves for yourself. The market doesn't follow a script. The ability to thrive lies in how well you can adjust when things don't go as planned. And they may not go as planned in the next couple of days. I'm telling you, we don't know what's going to happen. What to be ready for this week: US election, RB rate decision, BOJ policy meeting minutes, US services PMI for October, Thursday Fed rate decision and Powell conference, BOE rate decision. BTC is now testing the orange line as resistance after falling below. It would be good to see this level reclaimed. Bro, it doesn't matter what the levels are, man. I am not selling. Nearly 200 million of longs have been liquidated in the past 24 hours as BTC has fallen to 68k. BTC has fallen. Look at the price. We're at 69k, so we've actually recovered a little bit. Brett meme coin. B-wave pullback. There's no sign that the B-wave pullback is complete. There's no impulsive structure to the upside, and the price is caught in a corrective pattern. Hold. If I just cross Twitter, flip's sake, let's get this back up. Alright, let's scroll down because we had some good info here, you know. Flipping heck, there's a lot here. What happens if they steal the election? That's what I keep on saying. He thinks BTC is going down to about 48k. That doesn't actually look bad. And then we see the new all-time high. Donald Trump, the big dog. The CME gap's at 69,500, so we're probably going to enter that at the end of the weekend. Kamala Harris wins. You are 3 days away from a 1929 style economic depression. If I win, you are 3 days away from best jobs, best paychecks, the brightest economic future the world has ever seen. They always promise, innit, but you just rather it was this dude. Kamala's inflation nightmare. To be honest, I don't even care. Either way, it's a win-win. As the cost of a typical American family $30,000 in higher prices, and now she wants to impose the largest tax hike in American history and raise your taxes by 3k each year. I will massively cut taxes for workers and small businesses, and we will have no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, and no tax on social security benefits. Take it off crypto too, my G. Hear me out. If Kamala wins, BTC pumps. If Trump wins, BTC explodes. That's a theory, you know. Do you understand? If Ethereum is about to break down from a massive bear flag with a target of sub $350, flipping heck, talk about getting liquidated. Bitcoin is going to crush this quarter. Periods when you can make money. Seen a few people ask me about this. It does the rounds every once in a while. I do not respect this for 3 reasons. Benno was a farmer, thus basis on solar cycles with a focus of gains, grains, wheat and commodities. 1971 saw dollar taken off the gold standard. M2 expansion thereafter changed the game. Overlay these years with an XPX chart and tell me what you see. Many poor timing signals. Try it for yourself. So they just think it's cycles constantly. But it wouldn't be that simple. It'd be too easy to make money. Years of hard times, low price, and a good time to buy stocks, corner lots, goods, and hold till the boom reach. Which is the years of good times, then unload. Yeah, it's just never going to be that easy, bro. It's crazy how Bitcoin price action is to Trump's election odds. It goes down once his odds or Kamala Harris's odds increase. That's mental. Or Trump's goes down. It's literally dictated by that. I remember when he got shot in the ear and it pumped. All starts with self-confidence. Without that, nothing great is possible. It's not too late to make a plan. Nobody knows when the market tops, so make sure you have a plan to scale out gradually and stick to it. Ignore the ridiculous price targets. Stick to your plan. Unrealized profits are not profits. This is the liquidity. I was wrong for the first time about the top of BTC price. I did not catch exact top this time, that is definite, but I told you all of this is a trap to sacrifice the alts. As you can see now, maybe you lost a battle, but I will win the war. All of you are not here for BTC, you are here for altcoins, because you can't make any money on BTC and you're waiting for alt season. Unfortunately, everything I was telling you is about to happen right now. This pump was orchestrated to rise the dominance to highs even higher than 2019, which is preposterous, because back then there was 9,000 projects, today millions. Dominance is sucking all of your money from alts. It is 60.3%. That is total brutality. That is being This has been that to destroy all of your holdings. They want for all the shorts possible in this space between 72 to 74k. Magna order block. Destroyed billions of shorts, took all the money, and now comes the grand finale. What is the grand finale? Destroy Bitcoin and highest possible dominance, leading altcoins into oblivion, leaving you with absolutely nothing. When that is finished, they will enter on the bottom and create alt season like they always do. Alt season are created after crashes 70% of the time, not on high levels, so they can make money. You will witness total obliteration soon. I was out a couple of days because of death threats. What? So pathetic. After I've done this in the crypto space, knowledge and discoveries nobody else gave you, exact tops and bottoms, pure magic that nobody ever will give you. I will feast on those. Welcome to the Last Supper. That's crazy, bro. Profit hit different when you remember what you went through to get them. That's facts. Holding this Casper's crazy, bro. I gotta put my stop losses on though. I'm not trying to lose like 90% of it. Weekly chart with the largest upper wick in 10 months. Yep, mental. Bro to bro, avoid the false dopamine hit of telling your goals to others. There's no point. I did what I knew how to do. Now that I know better, I do better. From SHIB to Omikami, upgrade your crypto game with Ryushi's improved vision. Bro, it's gonna go crazy, I'm telling you. The sensational feeling that SHIB in the early days, I want to feel it again with Kami. This feeling is amazing and I want to experience it once more. Those who walk along the path will rule the universe. That means Omikami should go down though, right? If all the alts are gonna crash, that means my favourite crypto is gonna get tanked. Stay focused, stay consistent, your time is coming. No way the US election is tomorrow, money to be made. Either way, as a man, the only thing you can do is prepare for the endless difficulties that is going to come on you. Biggest lesson in life, don't ever think it can't happen to you. Ever think you can't get rug pulled. Don't ever think you can't lose all your money. Don't ever think you can't get scammed. Crypto will and suck the soul out of you and your account. Be very careful. Facts from the G. F crypto, F stocks. I miss my 9 to 5 job. Holds so much cash is crazy. Your colleagues are not your friends. Everyone in there for income. Where money is involved, men betray men. Do not be mouthy. Do your work and go home. Make altcoin season great again. Trump has to do it for our bags, bro. Sweet mother of God, dominance 60.5. They will crush you. Your bones. Are you blind or what? This was all prepared to create biggest euphoria of degenerates. Rise dominance, take all liquidity, destroy all possible short and hold crypto, and then destroy every and each alt. This is why me and my group haven't failed on this and we prevailed, because we hold the keys. He thinks it's going to crash hard, man. Bro, if they rise dominance like that and we get a crash like this, that's going to be the most blood we've ever seen in the street of crypto. That's going to be worse than bear market lows. I don't think you lot understand. My crypto bags need a Donald Trump candle. Buy meme coins with 1 billion market cap, thinking it will go to 100 billion. Omikami, better risk to reward ratio. The final journey of Ryushi. Let's have a little look at this. Always buy the sleeping giant. I've been watching Kami develop over the last 2 years. SHIB Informer. Who's SHIB Informer? No way. Might be the Playboys. Do not panic sell. This is the last shakeout. I don't know, listening to people like this is a bit stupid, man. Especially if we get the crash that we're expecting. Wyckoff reaccumulation 2024. Still in play. Is he saying about market makers? Life goes on, bro, with or without friends, with or without love. Who's selling Bitcoin? It went down to 67. Kamala wins on Tuesday. BTC 20k Instawick down. Sol falls to $3. What you doing? Bro, pray for Trump to win. Because then we'll get the maddest bull run. If not, Kamala will win and we'll get the recession and cheapest prices anyway. Let's go, win-win. Not if there's a recession. It's going to just doot. Nah, I'm playing, but it's mental. Money isn't even real anymore. Look at this. Total US debt. Record high. History rhymes. Let's go. The election, look at these odds. What's happened to these odds? The betting odds are now down to 54%, up from 67%. Last week Kamala was at 33 and now 46. That's silly, bro. Rigged, bro. 2021 we had one meme coin. 2017 one meme coin. 2021 1,000. 2025 1 million. The market wants meme coins more than altcoins, and this trend has been building for over 10 years. The meme coin dominance will only accelerate. Literally sell all your kidneys and go all in kind of spot. Just 2 months after reaching 1 exahash, Casper surpassed 1.4 exahash. Every time we see 0.01 added to hash rate, it translates to roughly $1 million being invested into Casper mining. Don't worry about short-term price movements, follow the miners. I don't want to look at short-term price movements, but the price movement is going to be so dangerous that it's risking all my portfolio. I don't know if it's worth it. Let's be real. Remember when markets are controlled by whales using market makers, they will draw one shakeout pattern after the next to get as many people out of the asset, hoping for lower entries. They will use the US election in the same way that they did the last two. Shakeout narrative, don't fall for it, you are early. The Wyckoff predicted all these moves. Consolidation to election has been the call since August 4th. The probability of a V-shaped flush has always been 25 to 35% and remains. However, ETF issuers don't want low prices again, so the more likely move is up to mark up out of this range. The flush today might be all they are willing to give up. Either way, we're going up. V-shape with markup or consolidate to presidential decision with markup facts. But if we get a V-shape, you've got to be ready to buy, man. Holy.